Right, listen up you petrol heads. Remember when electric cars were just milk floats with lipstick? Not anymore. Tesla, those American revolutionaries, kicked the door down. Now everyone's at it. EVs are here, quiet, cleanish, and surprisingly quick. But they're just the beginning. The car world is about to get a whole lot more interesting. Buckle up because the future of transport is about to get seriously mental. First up, self-driving cars. Yes, you heard that right. No more white-knuckle rides with your nan at the wheel. These babies drive themselves. Google's been at it for ages with Waymo. Tesla's got autopilot. The idea is simple. Sensors, cameras, and enough computing power to make your head spin. The benefits? Fewer accidents, smoother traffic flow, and you can finally catch up on some shut-eye during rush hour. Brilliant. Next, we're talking about something truly bonkers: the Hyperloop. Imagine a giant tube, a vacuum inside, and pods that shoot through it at, get this, over 600 miles per hour. It's like something out of Star Wars. Elon Musk, the bloke behind Tesla, is all over this one. He reckons it'll revolutionize travel. London to Edinburgh in 30 minutes? Don't mind if I do. Of course, there are challenges: cost, safety, and the small matter of building these massive tubes everywhere. But hey, a petrolhead can dream, right? Taking to the skies flying cars and eVTOLs. The concept of flying cars has been a staple of science fiction for decades, capturing our imaginations and inspiring countless futuristic visions. But how close are we to making this dream a reality? Speaking of dreams, remember those Back to the Future hoverboards? They seemed like pure fantasy back then, but technology has a way of catching up with our wildest ideas. Well, we're not quite there yet, but flying cars are getting closer. Engineers and innovators around the world are working tirelessly to turn these sci-fi concepts into practical, everyday vehicles. Companies like Joby Aviation are building electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, or eVTOLs for short. Catchy, eh? These aircraft are designed to be efficient, quiet, and environmentally friendly, making them a promising solution for urban transportation. These things are basically giant drones that you can hail like a taxi. Imagine summoning an eVTOL with your smartphone, just like you would an Uber or Lyft, and being whisked away to your destination in no time. Imagine soaring over traffic jams, sipping your morning coffee. The convenience and time-saving potential of eVTOLs are truly game-changing. No more sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic or dealing with road rage. It's the ultimate way to beat the commute. Plus, no more potholes. The smooth, uninterrupted journey through the skies could revolutionize the way we think about travel and commuting. Of course, there are hurdles: safety, regulations, and the small matter of air traffic control. Ensuring that these vehicles can operate safely in crowded urban airspace is a significant challenge that must be addressed. But a man can dream, can't he? The vision of a future where flying cars and eVTOLs are a common sight is tantalizing. As technology continues to advance, who knows what incredible innovations await us just over the horizon. Maglev trains, gliding into the future on magnetic waves. Now let's talk trains. Trains have been a cornerstone of human transportation for centuries, evolving from the early steam engines to the modern marvels we see today. But what if I told you that the future of trains is already here, and it's more exciting than you could ever imagine? Forget your rickety old steam engines, those relics of the past that chugged along at a snail's pace, belching smoke and soot into the air. We're talking about maglev trains. These aren't just trains, they're a revolution in transportation technology. These bad boys use magnets to levitate above the track, creating a smooth, frictionless ride that feels like gliding on air, eliminating friction and reaching ludicrous speeds. Imagine traveling at over 300 miles per hour, faster than most commercial airplanes. The Japanese have been perfecting this technology for years, with their maglev trains setting world records for speed and efficiency. And the Chinese are getting in on the act too. They're investing heavily in maglev technology, aiming to connect their vast cities with lightning-fast rail networks. Imagine gliding from London to Paris at 300 miles per hour, cutting travel time to just a couple of hours, all while sipping champagne in your luxury cabin. These trains aren't just about speed, they're about comfort and luxury, offering a travel experience like no other. It's the future of high-speed travel, and it's already here. Well, almost. As more countries invest in this groundbreaking technology, the dream of a global network of high-speed maglev trains is becoming a reality. So, buckle up and get ready to glide into the future on magnetic waves. PRT and hydrogen fuel cells, niche solutions with big potential. Now for something a bit more down to earth. Personal rapid transit, or PRT, is like having your own little pod on rails. You hop in, select your destination, and off you go. No waiting, no traffic, just efficient point-to-point travel. Then there's hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. These babies run on hydrogen, emitting nothing but water vapor. Faster refueling than EVs and longer ranges? Sounds good to me. Toyota and Hyundai are already on the case. The road ahead, a glimpse into the future of personal transport. So there you have it. The future of transport is not just a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. Imagine a world where your daily commute is no longer a mundane task, but an exhilarating experience. The future of transport is going to be faster, cleaner, and dare I say it, even more exciting than it is today. From self-driving cars to flying taxis, the advancements in technology are set to revolutionize the way we move. Picture yourself in a self-driving car where you can relax, read a book, or even take a nap while your vehicle safely navigates through traffic. And let's not forget about the trains that hover above the ground. The possibilities are mind-boggling. Maglev trains, which use magnetic levitation to glide smoothly above the tracks, promise to make long-distance travel faster and more efficient. Imagine zipping from one city to another in a matter of minutes, all while enjoying a smooth and quiet ride. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. Cost, safety, regulations, and the integration of these new technologies into our existing infrastructure. Engineers and policymakers are working tirelessly to address these issues, ensuring that the future of transport is not only innovative but also safe and accessible for everyone, and good old-fashioned public acceptance. It's one thing to develop cutting-edge technology, but it's another to get people to embrace it. Public debates and discussions are crucial in shaping the future of transport, as communities weigh the benefits and potential drawbacks of these new systems. But one thing's for sure, the future of transport is going to be anything but boring. With a plethora of options at our disposal, from flying taxis to hyperloops, the way we think about travel is set to change dramatically. Imagine a bustling transportation hub where you can choose from a variety of futuristic modes of transport, each more exciting than the last. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to polish my jetpack. The future is here, and it's time to embrace it with open arms and a sense of adventure. So, buckle up and get ready for the ride of a lifetime.